everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you download Kuda app for Windows. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. There isn't an official native Kuda app for Windows like you get on Android or iOS. The official Kuda Mobile Bank app is designed for smartphones and tablets only. The official ways to use Kuda from a computer is use the Kuda Apple app. So to do, simply head over and open up the browser. Then on the search bar, simply type in Kuda Bank, and then once you're inside here, select the first link that is shown to you. And once you're inside here, what you need to do is select the second link that is shown to you. And once you're inside here, what you need to do is, all you gotta do now is tap on sign in right here, and then once you tap on that or click on that, you'll be prompted to enter in your email address and then in your password. And once you do that, simply click on sign in, and now you can access many Kuda features directly in your browser without installing anything. This works on Windows, Mac, or any PC, and Kuda doesn't currently provide an official downloadable Windows desktop app from Microsoft or their website. The app is intended for Android and iOS devices as well. If you want to run the mobile app on Windows, all you gotta do is simply on the search bar type in Android emulators for PC, and you'll find options like BlueStacks and Later. All you gotta do is click on it and then simply download the emulator, and once done on the emulator, what you need to do is open the Google Play Store and then search for Kuda and install it like an Android phone. Once done, all you gotta do is sign in, and you can use Kuda mobile application on your Windows. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.